Getty. Former NFL star Vincent Jackson died of chronic alcohol use, autopsy results, obtained by TMZ Sports, revealed. The Hillsborough County Medical Examiner's office released the findings Wednesday, calling the manner of death natural. As we previously reported, Jackson was found dead in a Florida hotel room on February 15, 2021. He was just 38 years old. Vincent Jackson's widow speaks out with a new warning about CT after the former NFL star's death. At Juju Changeup reports. https://t.co/jim4ep7c. Good Morning America, at GMA, December 16, 2021 at GMA. His wife, Lindsay Jackson, said last week that Jackson had been suffering from memory loss and mood swings before his passing, and revealed that a study on his brain had shown he was suffering from stage 2 CTE. Lindsay also said Vincent had been drinking heavily before his death, explaining that he had told her it helped him feel calm. He would have turned 39 years old in January. Gallery launch gallery. Vincent Jackson on the field launch gallery. Getty. Vincent was a big star in the NFL for years, recording 9,080 receiving yards and 57 TDs in his 12-year career. He was selected to 3 Pro Bowls. RIP.